Okay, we have now something that we have to open and unbox it. Let's do it and see what is inside. Okay, so far. So let's remove the rest of the package. Okay, I don't think that is actually extra strong, extra grip gloves. So we have to open and see what is inside. Let's see, what is this? Well packed. What it can be? A football. Let's see what is it. Okay, another layer of packaging. Let's open this one. Ooh. What is this? Oh, it's getting exciting. It looks full of craters. Cannot be Earth. Cannot be Ganymede. Oh, it's the moon. I know that. Mare Crisium. Mare Orientale. Okay. Moon globe. So, Houston, we have a Mare Orientale, or probably we should say Beijing or Moscow. We have a moon globe. Let me turn off the flash. We can see what is it. Mare Orientale. Mare Imbrium. Mare Imbrium. This was not part of a globe or anything because the top doesn't have any sign of being part of anything, but the bottom of it has this tiny hole, which maybe may mean that it was on a stand. It looks accurate enough. For example, let's see what this has for a plateau. Yeah, plateau. A little bit too much profile is too high, but they're forgiven. It's visible. Timocharis or Timocharis. And this is the apennine. Okay, a little bit rough. I have a. This was probably which year it is made. I can look. I find it, yes. Raiko Ferry, Italy. Made in Italy. Let's see if it has the Apollo 17. We can just date it by that. So Mare Serenitatis, Mare Crisium. So I don't see Apollo 17 here. So that is before Apollo 17. Definitely that is even before the Apollo 11, because it is the proposed Apollo landing site 2. And no mention of the Apollo 15, Apollo 12. These are all Luna and Surveyor landing sites. So that's pre-1969. And yeah, let's compare it with this Chinese globe. So here we can see, let me just turn on the flash. We can see the Apollo Luna 23, Luna 18, Chang'e 1. Oh, that's really up to date. And there's another landing site, but it's not clear what is written. Luna 23. And here we have the, I think that must be the site of the Apollo 17. And that is Luna 21, that's it. Mare Serenitatis, that's Apollo 17. Taurus Littrow. This is Apollo 15. Yeah. Luna 17. And that's interesting, but it's not written here. But this is Rumke mountain, is where the China has landed Chang'e 5 and grabbed the sample and returned it to Earth. Yeah, this is a lunar dome. So it must be this area which is now at the center, that's not near those areas. Is it? No, the detail of this is not that much to show the Mount Rumke. Luna 7, Kepler, Luna 8, Luna 9. Survey 1 where the Apollo 12 landed here, or Survey 3 which Apollo 12 landed here. Ranger 7 for the crash landing. Survey 2, Survey 6. Ranger, all of these landing sites up to Chang'e 1 I think have been there. Lunar Orbiter 3 which is on the edge of the moon. Mare Orientale, as mentioned, Chang'e 4 which landed in the Leeuwenhoek, or Leeuwenhoek, oh no, that's other, Von Karaman. Okay, it doesn't have the Von Karaman, it doesn't have the Chang'e 4 which is the first landing on the far side of the moon, so it doesn't have that. So that is pre-2018. Very nice. And it shows topography. This is the highest one. That's practically the bulge here is created by the creation of this all Preimbrium basin, Preprocellarum basin, which is all includes all of the moon. So they say that the mass of the moon, which was ejected from here, was antidote of it was deposited here, which is this part, Highlands, and that created the bulge that we see on the moon. Anyway, that's interesting. So we have two generations of the moon globes. They look similar in a way, and they look different in a way. Both have their merits. I have one also which is made in Korea, and I will show you that one. That's the one that I'm talking about. This is I chose to receive a non-labeled one because I didn't want any writing, and it looks more detailed. It's definitely more detailed. I think this is based on the latest maps by the Lunar Orbiter, Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter. Can we see the Mount Rumke? Mount Rumke must be something. Mount Rumke and such features are very shallow features here. Yes, I'm going to create the stuff. Okay, so that's the video that I was going to show. This is a globe. This was unboxing of another moon globe. Beautiful, different times, different themes. This one is 3 times the price of a Chinese one.